So yeah, it is 6 o'clock on Wednesday, 6:40. I am getting ready to whip these up. Y'all know I like to do my dessert first so that can be out the way. Then I do dinner. So hubby and Rizzy are going to eat some crab ragoons that I showed y'all early this month. We haven't even got into those like that. I think he ate them a couple times. And some mozzarella sticks. Me and Naya are going to eat some shrimp and scallop pasta. That's my powdered sugar that I just put in there for these cookies. Did anybody guess before I show y'all what cookies I'm making? One of our favorites. No eggs needed. That's why I love it. And like I said, guys, I will be sharing all those other videos with you guys. As far as the... Hold on, let me put that. Oh, Jesus, sorry. As far as the recipes and stuff, just not right now because YouTube has been acting crazy for a lot of content creators. So yeah, so I'll just be popping on talking to you guys like that. But I'm gonna use my you see it, my sugar is low, my raw sugar. That's something we haven't been able to find. I gotta find some more creamery. That's been low, grits and stuff like that. People been getting that stuff. That's stuff like that, like cream of wheat, grits, oatmeal, porridge, that type of stuff, cornmeal. It's been going because I know people, you know, we know how to adapt. We will grab the stuff we need to and make it stretch, okay? So yeah, I definitely gonna be using some of the spaghetti with my meal tonight. Let me scrape this down, hold on. If you guessed it, I'm just gonna do walnuts this time. We're gonna do some walnut balls. This is me and my husband's favorite, Naya's favorite. You know, Rizzy can't eat them. But Rizzy's not really, like I said, a sweet eater, so. But I be having to have my sweets. I know it's bad. I gotta do better. But y'all, I know I'm not gonna be 600 pounds. I'm not. I'm trying not to get there. I'm trying not to. I need to do better. But y'all, what else I'm gonna do? I had to get every drop of that butter, and there wasn't hardly none in there. I had to change the paddle. Walnuts is making a noise. This is actually what you want. I'm about to stop this in a few seconds so y'all can see. I'm actually loading up this. Remember I said I edited it? Well, it was taking so long. It said 2 hours and 50 minutes the last time I tried. That's why it didn't post, because my computer timed out and cut off. So it didn't finish processing. So I had to re-upload it again, and I just did it again. And now it's saying 1 hour and 50 minutes. So it's crazy. And I cleaned off my computer too. So I don't know what's going on. But I'm going to keep going upstairs to make sure the computer don't cut off. And I got it plugged up. So hopefully I can get it out. As soon as everything get right, I'm going to start loading up my edited videos that I took time to create back on YouTube. Hold on. So I took my spatula just to make sure everything was incorporated. So now I can roll my balls. My dough balls. That sounds weird. So we don't have parchment paper, so I'm doing without. See, when you don't have something and you ain't got no choice, this shows you how sometimes we don't need certain stuff, because I'm so used to putting parchment on just because I don't want to deal with the sticking. But since I ran out, I wasn't going to have my hubby go get no daggone parchment paper. It's not that serious, right? So I haven't been using it. So I may not use it as much. That might, you know, I'm just getting enlightened on some of the things that I have been, what's the word, improvising on, that I spend money on, that I'm thinking about, do I really need? Are you guys doing the same thing? Like, what are you improvising on? So what are some things that you guys improvise during this being in the home and shut down? What are some things that you improvised and see that you really don't need it, or when things get back to normal, you're gonna say, you know what, I'm not gonna buy that anymore? Is there anything? And to all of my new revivers, thank you guys for joining my channel. Thank you guys for the love. Thank you guys for being a part of my family. We are a family over here. And I will reiterate this all the time. When I say revivers, that means we bring life. We bring new breath, new energy to a situation. Nothing dead, no drama or anything like that over here. All good, positive, uplifting, inspiring, and motivating things is what we are all about. So, yeah. Yep. So I'm almost done. What are some things that you also are doing to keep your peace of mind, keep your sanity, and to try to keep your mind off of what's going on? Mine is reading, game night with my family. Naya, we were doing her TikToks. She wants to share those on her channel. She had a channel before, and Google just sent her some information. I guess that means that she hit the threshold, which is a blessing. Thank God. And thank you that supported her channel when she had Naya and Nashawn's channel. I thank you guys for that. I'm going to let you guys know when she loads all the TikToks, because she's just going to be loading TikToks for now just to make you laugh. And then later, once all this stuff subsides and get back to, we get back to normal, because this too shall pass, she's going to have real content that she shares, from her makeup, dyeing her hair, keeping her hair low, why she chopped her hair, talking about being a high schooler, dating at a young age. So if you have teenagers or anything, I told her to keep the pictures and the videos up, not pictures, but the videos up of her ex. She'll be talking more about a lot of, what happened. She'll share what she wants to share. And I think she wants me to be in one video, because it's going to be like a mother-daughter sit down, real talk with those of you who have children that are teenagers, and just enlighten you on some things that can possibly happen. And she says she's ready to do that. So yeah, her channel should be below too, is Naya and Nashawn. So you can, but it's called Naya's Vibe now. So within the next couple of days, she will probably tonight, if not tonight, the day that you're seeing this, it'll probably go up the next day. She'll be putting on her TikToks up and doing a mini video letting everyone know that she's not going to be loading edited content or any major content. But if you have any requests of what you want to see, like clothing hauls or her try-on hauls and different things like that, she's willing to do that. And she's been getting a lot of people giving her requests. So she had a little book from like some of the high schoolers that watched her old channel and want her to come back. She got a request on different things like that they want to see. So she's already a head start on it, and I'm gonna try to help her and encourage her to just stay positive, because it takes time. But I know she can do it. I believe her channel will surpass my channel, because younger people seem to be more supportive and share more. It's just true. It's just, they will watch a video over and over, or they will share. It's a little bit different. So yeah, guys, I'm going to wrap this up so I can get these in the oven, because I know hubby got to come make his food for him and Rizzy, and I'm going to get this pasta going. So I'm going to end this video, because I'm getting notifications and people trying to call me while I'm doing this. So I'm going to end this video, and I'll come back to you guys a little bit later showing you a video on the pasta and a little bit of chat and inspiration, like I always do. I just got to leave you with something in the video. It just can't be a regular video. That's just not in my heart to just do a regular video, unless it's just something short I need to share with you really quick, or something to save some coins. I love you guys. Hope you have an awesome evening, and I will talk to you a little bit later, and be safe, guys. Later, gators.